The Queen's attendance in Parliament sparked concern from royal fans online. The monarch had publicly appeared in the House of Lords in order to lead the state opening. However, viewers noticed that she paused a few times to sniff, prompting suggestions that the royal could be under the weather. Commentator Darren Grimes tweeted, "Does the Queen have a cold?" Ashley agreed, replying, "Thought the same. Hope Shusha's okay." Finley Dyer added, "Sniffling a lot." Freddie Scoville said, "Sounds like it. Back to normality then." David Bell commiserated with the monarch. "Bless her, she does sound down." Irvin Porter said, "That was my thought exactly. Just shows her old-style work ethic. That's one of the things I respect about her. The number of people now who have a slight cold and have a week off." One user wrote, "The odd snuffle would suggest she does." Terry Holtz gave another view. "She's slightly diminished by grief, she's nursing a broken heart." Julia agreed. "Think she's tired, which you would be too if you'd been through what she has at her age." Kivo added, "Probably still mourning the loss of her husband." In the speech, the Queen laid out the government's upcoming plans, saying, "My government will ensure that the public finances are returned to a sustainable path once the economic recovery is secure. Measures will be brought forward to ensure that children have the best start in life, prioritizing their early years. My ministers will address lost learning during the pandemic and ensure every child has a high-quality education and is able to fulfill their potential. Measures will be brought forward to address racial and ethnic disparities and ban conversion therapy. The United Kingdom will host the G7 summit and lead the global effort to secure a robust economic recovery from the pandemic. My ministers will deepen trade ties in the Gulf, Africa and the Indo-Pacific. My government will continue to provide aid where it has the greatest impact on reducing poverty and alleviating human suffering. My government will uphold human rights and democracy across the world. It will take forward a global effort to get 40 million girls across the world into school.